Hello everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 4.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun.
What was I going to say? Today I am going to do some Christmas shopping and just some Christmassy bits. That sounds really, but it's the truth. So yeah, that's today. I'm not feeling 100%. I think I'm getting a cold. But that's okay, I can live with a cold. So I'll do my advent calendars in a bit. I'm just about to start to edit today's vlog, yesterday's vlog for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to say that every vlog, so sorry. I also need to have some breakfast. I'm in a really bad habit of not eating breakfast and then just eating lunch and dinner. And I shouldn't probably do that, so I should, you know, get my ass into gear. Time to find day 4 on the advent calendars. Day 4 is here. Mum, what do snowmen eat for lunch?
Don't know.
Snow burgers. I know, ice burgers. I read that one. It is an awkward shape to get out. Present.
It's the blob.
Time to find day 4 on here. Don't think they've put it on here. Oh no, it's up here. It's another red one. There's so many red ones. Yummy. So that is today. I'm in the car! I'm ready. I don't know if you know this, but I'm actually going out with my nan to Windsor. I went last year with her. So hello! Hello! It's Vlogmas Day 4! Hey. Nan's probably going to get us lost, like she always does, so I'm excited for that.
Try not to.
You said that last year.
I know, but it's, you know, with the light fading and everything.
Yeah, it is getting dark rapidly. It's 25 to 4, so hopefully we'll be there about 4:15, 4:30. That'd be nice. Get some food and yeah. It's not as cold as it has been, but it does look like it's about to really badly rain. Wait and see. So yeah. That's that. We've made it to Windsor. We just need to work out whereabouts we've got to go. Do you mind?
It's alright.
So yeah. Oh,
No, there's a man coming to get you now.
you, not me. So yes, we're trying to. You went round that way last time, so you go up. I believe up and round.
No, I'm in this lane now, so I'm gonna have to go.
Castle, Windsor Castle says up here. Just don't go down up that slip road. I don't think. Yeah, because that's just Windsor and there's
Castle.
just Castle. So where's this taking us?
So we should have gone down there.
I don't know exactly where we're going.
Castle's down there.
Is it? Oh yeah, it is, because we went past that petrol station. We're now going on a motorway. Some sort. Oh dear.
It's alright, we'll turn off left.
So we've
Probably impeccably behaved. Like
probably
this.
we've just made it to Windsor in the dark. We got here though. We're going through some really small streets. We didn't get lost. Well, we went up the wrong turning, but we didn't get lost. You done well.
Thank you.
It's okay. You have got to get us.
Indeed.
You have got to get us home in the dark, though.
Yeah, well, at least it's homebound. I need to get petrol on the way.
Okay. I can put it in if you want.
Huh?
I can put it in.
Yeah.
Something for you, Nan, innit? And a co-op. And top tillers. So, top tiles, Sasha.
Tiles. And a co-op.
Yeah, I just said that.
Oh, sorry. No messing about here.
No,
Tiles, wine, and
a co-op.
food.
It's all the people need in Windsor. Where the hell are we?
I don't know.
Oh no. Oh, wait, hang on, isn't this the car park at Windsor?
Sorry.
There's a car park here. I swear we came in here last time, but I can't remember.
Do you want me to go in there? That's the service road. There you go.
It is, because we went up where, didn't we?
King Edward Court car park.
Does this sound right for when we first came in?
We parked in an outside one before, I think.
No, we parked in an inside one.
Really?
Outside one was Brighton.
Press.
I don't know. I'll keep hold of that if you want.
Probably about £50 an hour.
Probably, but we'll get there. So yes, I don't know where the hell we are, if we're even in the right place, but yeah, we're here eventually, hopefully, possibly. I think this is the one. I really hope it was the one. Well done though.
Thank you.
Now we've got to find space. Windsor Castle. There is a Christmas tree over there. And a lovely Windsor Castle. We bought a pizza. Look at the size of it. Nan got the same. Guys, I'm sorry I haven't vlogged anything for a really long time. Me and my nan got lost on the way back, but we've now actually had to come to Asda because we've had to do a bit of a food shop, so just going to get some food. What was I going to say? I'm also really sorry that yesterday's vlog was late. Obviously I went out and before I can edit it because my computer wouldn't turn on, which is really fun. That's all sorted now, so that will be up late again, but yeah, I'm still trying to find my feet with Vlogmas because obviously it's still only the first few days in, but by the end I will have it down and everything like that. So yeah, I'm going to go in and do a bit of the food shop. I feel like I might get a couple of people wondering why I actually have to do the food shop, so I'm just going to explain. So my mum has serious back pain and a fair few mental health problems, so I'm under a company called Young Carers, so I have to care for my mum, so doing the food shop and doing the washing and cleaning and everything like that is part of my life, so this is just part of my life and this is Vlogmas, so I just wanted to fill you in there that I am food shopping because my mum can't. So yeah, that is that. I'm going to get on with it. It's very cold. I didn't realise how cold it was and my shoulders are very cold. Anyway, I'm going to go in and do the food. I'm back home now, so the last clip you would have seen of me going into Asda. Didn't vlog anything in Asda because I just wanted to get around and get all the bits I needed to. Anyway, I am now back home, obviously. I watched The Walking Dead, which can I just say is starting to get better again. This series has been very rocky. I've really enjoyed the last couple of episodes, but the trash people are literally like, there's no point to it, and also just speak normal English. Anyway, today I started to pick up the actual big presents for people, so if you watched yesterday's vlog, you would have known that I've sorted everyone's stocking filler presents out, so everyone's stockings are now done. I need to show you them still, but I haven't got any main presents for people yet. So today I changed that and pitched them all up. So these are for my mum so far, these are for my dad, that's for my nan, and that is for my auntie. I can show you that because my family don't really watch my vlogs. I know my nan does, but so nan, I'll have to tell you not to watch this one, but yes, this one is for my mum. I got her got me a bit quiet, Olay anti-aging moisturiser because she wanted something like this. A Lynx Woman Africa set because she loves the smell and always asks for it. And some studio makeup brushes. For my dad, I got him this body wash for men and body lotion for men. A Lynx Africa set because it's actually like a joke in our family. Also, Rope painted my nails yesterday. They've gone a bit, they've chipped a bit, but they're really pretty. And I got him a selection pack. For my nan, I got her a selection pack, a Dove Peace collection, and this Eco Falls got a bottle of wine and wine glass that have some Lindor in it. I think she'd really like that. I actually couldn't pick this up. I had to get hard to scan it through the till for me, but I told her it was from my auntie, so she has no clue it's for her. Unless she watches this vlog. Hope you don't, Nan. And then for my auntie, I got her this Nuspa set that has a little shower and bath gel, body mist, and a little bath scrubby thing. A Dove set and a little Thornton's chocolate dog. So that's everything I picked up. I also picked up a I also picked up a present for my friend, but I know she watches my videos, or I know she's subscribed to my channel. I don't know if she watches all my videos, but in case she does, I'm not going to show you guys. But Jazz, I picked up you up a present finally, if you are watching this. So yes, I'm going to wrap these up. That's what I was trying to tell you. Also, today's vlog has saved, I want to say. Have you saved? No, nearly saved, and then I'm just about to upload it, so that should be up to you guys tonight as well, in time. If it's a little bit late, I do apologise, but my internet is awful. It's time for bed now. I don't know what I decided anyway. I'm off to bed now. I'm really, really tired, but I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below and the notification button next to it if you want to be notified when my vlogs go up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 5. Bye!